Smartish has sent their MagSafe phone grip Quickstand for my review. That is a mouthful, but man, is it ever cool. I was never a huge fan of these kind of like ring MagSafe attachments on the back of your phone case or directly on your phone. Never a big fan of this until now, and I'll tell you why. This thing feels comfortable. This thing's magnet is extremely strong. Whether you do it on a Smartish case or directly on your phone, and I'm talking like obviously this is supposed to open because it is a stand, but this is not going anywhere. This is really, really solid. So the cool thing with this is that instead of those rings that wouldn't have that little piece, instead of those rings, I'm never comfortable with the ring going through my fingers like this. It is a little awkward. What I like with this is that you close it, you put your finger through the hoop like this, and look how comfortable that is. That is so comfortable, so natural, and I'm not awkwardly holding the phone, which is fantastic. And then if I'm not holding the phone and I want to just use it as a kickstand, I can, whether it's horizontal or vertical as well. And the nice thing too is you just want to grab it off of this phone, bring another phone, and boom, it's on the next phone ready to go. So that's another really huge benefit. You're not sticking it. There's no stickers and stuff like that to go. It's magnet to magnet. But if your phone or case does not have a magnet, they do include you with a nice sticky magnet. So basically that form factor, that round MagSafe magnet will be stuck to any surface. Doesn't have to be a phone actually, but any surface. And then you'll be able to use this really, really nifty, cool, solid. This is steel with a piece of, this is basically fabric for, and a stretchy fabric for the ring. But yeah, a finally super comfortable ring holder, pop, whatever you want to call it. I call it great.